Yo, what's up with y'all, man? We back. We back up in this thing with another one of them things. And we are on a family outing. Me and the girls. Family outing. So, yeah, man, we about to shoot downtown, man. And go get us some crawfish at the crawfish festival, Raging Cajun Crawfish Festival, man. Go down here, grab us a bite, which that's all it's gonna be, because we're not gonna get full of this shit. And yeah, I'm probably grab me old cigar, do what I do. You know, maybe probably gonna get drunk, you know, do our thing, margaritas or something. Frozen. She preferred frozen. So, yeah. So I'm gonna do our thing. She got her short dress on today, so I'm probably looking at some cheeks. It's okay. I like cheeks.
I thought it was longer.
It's okay. It's okay, baby.
It's kind of cool, but I ain't hot.
You getting the breeze up in that thing.
I ain't cold, but
the breeze running up through the crack of that thing.
that's how you think about it.
What, breeze in your crack?
Crack.
Trying to sell a crack addict?
Yeah. Leave me alone.
You like crack addicts?
No.
Yes, you do. You like me? You don't like me?
I like you.
So you like crack addicts? Or you like a crack addict? I'm just trying to help you out, because, you know, I know that thing, sometimes, you know, that thing kind of big, baby, so it don't get a whole lot of ventilation. So when you got it out, and that breeze goes through to ventilate that thing, keep it cool, you keep the whole body cool. It's like
you can't mind your business.
I'm saying, but
I don't
you
need
gotta
no
keep
breeze.
it cool.
I don't need no breeze in my
You
crack.
gotta keep it cool, but like if you cool off the main area of something, it keeps the whole everything cool. So if you keep the main room cool
just
in the building,
on your video.
damn, and then they're fucked up. So if you keep the main room cool in the building, the whole building will be satisfied.
Focus on your video, please.
I am. You are the focus of the video.
I'm not the focus.
We're talking about breeze in your crack.
This is not Ashley's channel.
Well, Ashley could have had a channel, but Ashley didn't want a channel. So.
Thank you. I don't want a channel.
Well, we talking about Ashley
about
on
what you were talking about.
Beelo channel.
Don't talk about my crack. On your channel.
That can be a clothing line. Breezy Cracks.
Could you give me some water?
You got some water right down the floor. It's probably hot though, huh?
This?
I thought she had some water.
That's why you need to mind your business, because you always think you know what you're talking about.
Oh, man. Hey, man.
Just a little small bottle.
Breezy Crack draws, man, coming soon, man. You know what I'm saying?
That's why you need to shut up. You just need to shut up sometimes.
don't been in late though. They probably can't do early or something. Go ahead on without it. Man, I should have showed y'all the bucket, man, when we first got it, but this how it looked when we finished. Yes, sir. Big Boy Crawfish Festival, man. Crawfish Festival, man. Yeah, we getting it on. Now I'm about to, man, light my old cigar, my vintage 1992, man. Like this old cigar, and we finna get on the body. Huh? Go see. If they will get two. Hear me? Yeah, man, that was a nice little turnout though. Yeah, buddy. Got young PG down there walking. Gonna load this boy Don Julio out here. Gonna load this doggone chair up, man. Get on working down him. Try for them. I think she wanna go see her mama or something, man. We'll probably go do that. And that's gonna be our day. Let me go and light up and put this chair up.